Congratulations, Chris and Jordan. We hope you really enjoyed your wedding day. I don't know if you remember, way back in January you said that the wedding present that you wanted from me was to learn how to fold a fitted sheet. So here I am to teach you how to fold a fitted sheet, and Jane is gonna try to follow along with me. Yes. Okay, so the end product is gonna look something like this. All right, so let's open her up. The idea is you have to think of this as having 4 corners, even though it's all bent or rolled or whatever. But there are 4 corners because there's seams on every side. And so where the top of the seam is, you think of that as a corner. Okay, so you want to start with the sheet inside out. Jane, are you following along? So the sheet is inside out, and I'm working with 2 corners that are on one of the short sides of the sheet, and I have my index fingers in each of these corners. Difficult to do right now. So I'm gonna put my pointer fingers together, like knead them together. And I'm gonna take, because I'm right-handed, I'm gonna take the right hand's sheet, line it along the seams along one another, and then flip it inside out. So there should be the 2 corners met together and the seams met together. So you got that one. So now what I do is I put my right hand in, so my left hand's free. So I'm still holding with my pointer and my index finger the corner. And I'm gonna go along the sheet to the next adjacent corner. So this is the long side of the sheet. And again, I have my index finger inside, both of them. And then this time I'm gonna put the left side onto the right and flip it. So now my right hand is holding 3 corners together. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip hands again. I'm gonna find the last corner. And I'm gonna put my finger inside the sheet, index fingers in the corners. My right hand is gonna go onto the left side, meet up the corners, meet up the seams, and flip it. Okay, and I'm kind of like shaking it out as I go. So you should have all 4 corners put together now on one finger, and then you should have the like edges kind of all together. So it's kind of like sticking out, you see, so I'm going to push it in and then just kind of pull it and shake it so that it's all met and lined up. Okay, you want to try to make it as rectangular or square or whatever is possible. So here, I'll do it on the floor. Okay, so it goes on the floor now, or you can put it on your bed or whatever. And just try to kind of shape it into something that's like resembling something rectangular or square. So I usually fold my sheets in thirds, and then I'll usually put the flat sheet around it, you know, so it's roughly the same size, and then I fold them together, but you know, something like that. Whatever fits in your linen closet. But that's essentially how you fold a fitted sheet. What do you think?